Good afternoon, good day, everyone. TriStar Trucking checking in. You know what I mean? Yes, this is one more video again, and in this video, I just want to let you guys know this may be my last trip with the flatbed truck, right? I should say in flatbed trucking. You know what I mean? This is my last trip with this company. Actually, I'm leaving out with a load now, going to Maryland, and I'm actually doing my pre-trip, you know what I mean? So I'm actually waiting on my 15 minutes. I finished my pre-trip already before the 15 minutes, but you know, I'm actually just waiting on it. So yeah, I decided to come out here and talk to you guys. So in this video, I just want to, you know, clear up some stuff with you guys and, you know, explain more on, you know, what my journey is gonna be like and why I make the step that I make right now, you know what I mean? So I just want to tell you guys, thanks for tuning in TriStar Trucking, and please tune in right after these messages. Thanks. TriStar.
For more videos like this, please subscribe.
In a little tent, like the river I've been running ever since. It's been a long time coming, but I know a change gonna come. Oh, yes, it will. It's been too hard living, but I'm afraid to die, 'cause I don't know what's up there beyond the sky. It's been a long time coming, but I know a change gonna come. Oh, yes, it is. Then I go to my brother. And I say, brother, help me please. But he wind up knocking back down on the knee. There've been times that I thought I couldn't last for long, but now I think I'm able, Father, to carry on. And it's been a long time coming, but I know a change gonna come. a change gonna come. Yes, it is. I know. So life can be hard. Oh yeah. And times can get rough, but still I know. Still I know a change gonna come. Oh, 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 yeah. It will. Yes, it will. Yes, it will. Oh, yeah. It will. It will. It will. It will.
Yeah. I'm gonna go get to compete that night. I still I'm gonna try and fight. Tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow. Good morning, YouTube. Good morning. TriStar Trucking again. I mean, I'm currently in Pennsylvania. You know, I got to my well, I didn't got to my destination. Last night the snow started and it was snowing pretty bad. You know what I mean? So I have to cut my speed, and I also run out of hours. I run out of hours with my e-log. But you know, it's a rule, like whenever you're like, if the road condition is bad and you have to cut your speed or whatever the reason is, you have to state that on your e-log to let them know what the reason why and the time and date with whatever happened. So what I'm trying to say is, I saw that I was running out of hours, but the road was pretty it was snowing, and you know, I cut my speed, and I tried to maintain my speed, so to avoid accident. You know, when it starts snowing, you know, when it comes to snowing, I really take a lot of caution, right? So yeah, I run out of hours. I went over like 20 minutes over after my e-log, my driving time had passed. I went over like 20 minutes. So I state that in my log, and I came to the truck stop here in Pennsylvania, which is it's a Flying J. Yeah, so basically that's where I'm at right now. So I'm doing my pre-trip to go to my delivery, but my delivery is gonna be for tomorrow. So I actually, because I stopped like late last night, you know what I mean, I stopped late last night, so now I got up, get my 10 hours back. When I look at my time to get to destination, I was gonna get there like 5 o'clock. So dispatch advised me, let me know that I'm not gonna get there on time, so make the delivery for tomorrow. So I'm gonna just deliver tomorrow, but I'm gonna start my journey now, you know, and get to the destination, and then I do what I'm doing from there. So, you know, like I said, let me go back in the truck. Outside is blowing. Outside is pretty windy. Just went out for a walk. I got 7 minutes gone on my time already. So yeah, YouTube. Like I said, I think this is my final trip. I think so, because like I said, my destination is already in. Today is the 13th of October. I'm lying. What am I saying? The 13th of November. and I got just a couple more days leave. So when I get in, I'm gonna, because I'm actually using the company's plates, they're the one that plated the truck, you know, to run under their agreement, then their rights. I'm running under their running rights, you know. The trailer is theirs, so, and the e-log is theirs. So when I get in, I'm gonna start unscrewing the plates, let them come and take their e-log out, and I'm thinking I'm gonna take a week off or so before I start my next journey, you know what I mean. You guys, I'm gonna tell you guys what's next, what I'm gonna do next, but it's not gonna, I'm not gonna just come out and just tell you guys just like that. Have you guys, I'm gonna watch what you guys have to say down in the description box, which company you guys are sending me to or whatever, but you guys will know, because I already, well, this is it. I never choose to leave a company and do not have anything lined up. That's not me, and that is not a wise choice to make if you guys decide to leave a company and not preparing yourself for the next step. You should have get that done, get that all sorted out before you plan on leaving, right? And when you're going to another company, then you can tell them when you want to come on. So within that time, you can give yourself some time, maybe if you want to go on vacation, or if you want to have a little time off before you actually start working, you can actually tell them when you're planning on going or coming in. So that's what I'm actually doing. Yeah, so the company that I'm going, I'll let you guys know what's going on, you know what I mean? Because I even got orientation and stuff to do. So I mean, yeah, I'm still gonna run in the States. Is it a flatbed company? I'm not sure. Is it reefer? I'm not sure. Is it dry van? I'm not sure. But you guys will know. So make sure you tune in. Make sure y'all subscribe. You know what I mean? And I want to say big respect to my subscribers that is sharing my videos. I'm grateful, and I thank you. I thank you guys a lot. So yeah, now, you know, when it's coming down to winter, you want to make sure you put out the right message, right? And I just want to let all my drivers, all my subscribers, and all who is watching and who is also a truck driver, car driver, it doesn't really matter. So really be careful in the winter. Really be careful. Really take more precaution. You know, drive more with more. Just be more focused on the road. You know what I mean? Because these times are time when a lot of things take place. You know, so really be careful out there, guys. Really. And enough being said, I'm gonna take the journey on. Hopefully, I have a camera, I have a setup inside the truck. I don't know how it's gonna be, because it's gonna be it's pretty dark, so I don't know how it's gonna be, but I'm gonna try for it and see what it's like, and then hopefully it works. So enough being said, I just want to tell everyone thanks for tuning in. You know, it's Troy Stars Trucking, and in this video I'm just going to my delivery in Maryland, and I'm 2.5 hours away from the delivery. So I'm just gonna go there straight and stay there till the morning, get delivered, pick up my return load, and back to Canada. So all depends on what time I get in. If I can do one more run, I will do it, but if not, I'll keep quiet. But Troy Stars Trucking, thanks for tuning in, and peace out. YouTube. You know it's Car Stars trucking. Yeah, updates and last night I told you guys no, yesterday evening I told you guys I'm gonna head off to my my delivery and wake up there, delivered, and then on to the pickup, right? But when I Google the address, I saw that they had a closed entity. So what I did, I stopped by the nearest, well there wasn't a truck stop close by. So what I normally do is stop by a Walmart. I look for a Walmart that said overnight parking, the closest one. You know Walmart is everywhere. So you know you can park in the parking lot there once you're early. You can for stop, you can park in the parking lot, and then you leave before it get busy, you know what I mean? Because sometimes your truck like blocked off a lot of lanes, like parking lots. So you try to leave before, you know, everyone start coming to work or whatnot, or coming shopping before you can't move, you know? Or if you're like, it's late and you know you're not gonna get back your hours before you're ready to move, then you go at the back of the store, like where the delivery or the entrance to go around to where the delivery is. You will have stand a better chance right there to get to move when you're ready, you know what I mean? Yeah, so that's just an update. So I'm at the Walmart now, doing my pre-trip, getting ready to go around to the delivery. So like I said before, it's just an update. So I'm gonna just show you guys just where I'm at right now, and then I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Try stars. Yes, YouTube. So this is, as you can see, straight across, that's the Walmart over there. It's basically like a and right here is the Home Depot. You know what I mean? There's a lot of stores. There's a Sam Club all the way down there. You got a Sam Club right there, and like I said, the Walmart. You got a McDonald's right there, and what's that? Panda Express, and there's a MT Bank. So yeah, so you know, like I said, I blocked off a lot of roads for parking, so I'm about to leave. YouTube.
In 1,000 feet, keep to the right on I-695 south. Continue on this road at right on 4 miles. Destination 700 feet on the right side.
The YouTube, that was the gate that was closed. So it was good not coming around here. Yes, YouTube. Try stars. Respect. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you in the next one.
For more videos like this, please subscribe.